Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Gemini. So watch this video if you're a Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description, where I talk about law of attraction, manifestation. I also own a crystal store, healing crystals, where I sell crystal jewelries which are charged with healing energy. So if you are interested in all of this, then you can reach out to me on the links in the description of my crystal store. All right. Now, if you don't already know, I'm a Gemini sun myself. So, hey, Gemini, and wishing you all a very happy Diwali. So, yeah, now let's see your messages for Gemini. So, give me the present energy for Gemini, please. Knight of Wands. Ooh, Gemini, what are you doing? And who are you doing it with, by the way? So Two of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. So this is a very beautiful energy, Gemini. What I feel is you are making money, or you're trying to make money, and you're making good money. All right, you guys might be single, but you're popping. So you might be going through a glow period where you're doing things for yourself and you're doing good. All right. Some of you, I also feel that you have options in love. So you might be feeling that you don't have options in love. But Gemini, when you look like something as a Nine of Pentacle, how do you expect to not have options in love? You definitely have people who are interested in you. And I see more than one person. One of this could be a past person. I see somebody still looks back at you and this person tries to see your pictures. So maybe you have a stalker that is stalking your social media. You can see how this Knight of Wand and the Two of Wand is showing up here. So Two of Wand basically is the online card, and then we have the Knight, which is looking back. So I see somebody's kind of looking back at you. And of course, this is a past person. Somebody kind of misses you, and somebody is seeing your glow online. So maybe you're posting your transformation journey since this person has left, or I don't know what you're doing, but somebody kind of keeps looking back at you, and this person is wondering a lot about you. All right, but you, Gemini, I see these days you are single, you're just by yourself, and you are trying to have fun. Some of you, all your focus is on your money and stability, and you're making good money, or you're trying to find more ways to make money, and you will be making good money. So I see money situation being really significant for you. Some of you also feel you have multiple options coming into you, both in love and in personal life. So if you're looking for new ventures, trying to do new things, then I see that's gonna happen. So keep your options open, and universe is actually blessing you with so much. Now let us see what's happening in love life of Gemini. Empress. Wow. Some of you might have conceived recently, or you want to conceive. Some of you, you're looking for marriage, because Empress is a married woman. So some of you, you're trying to get married. You kind of have started feeling that when you have your shit together, and you have undergone a healing period after the separation that you had, and you have become very sustainable, and you're just doing things by yourself, and you are doing good in life. Now you're basically looking for an equal partnership. So you just want somebody of the equal energy to come and accompany you in your life, so that you guys can like have fun together and whatever. So you're basically looking for an equal partnership, somebody who's as mature as you, and as understanding as you, and as loving as you. Some of you are, maybe you have this person already, and maybe there's a child involved. I don't know. Let's see what happened in the recent past. Queen of Wands. You are catching a lot of attention, Gemini. I don't know what you're doing. Let me know in the comments, what are you doing, because you are definitely doing, sometimes what happens is, when we are in the state of abundance, or when we are doing good things, we just feel that, okay, this is happening to me because I've worked hard. What's the big thing? And everybody is working hard. What's the big thing? But it is a very big thing for a lot of other people. So you might not realize, but you're actually popping. Gemini, Nine of Pentacle, Empress, and the Queen of Wands shows to me that a lot of eyeballs are on you, and you have caught attention of many people. Some of you, these could be people you've studied with, so maybe in school and college, or these are your ex-colleagues, and people are kind of noticing how Gemini used to be and how Gemini have grown so much. So yeah, you are kind of inspiring people, and people are actually wondering as to what is Gemini doing these days. Like, how did Gemini become an empress of the Nine of Pentacle energy? All right, and you are just in your own energy, being awesome, doing you. Some of you, I see that you have basically isolated yourself from social media, or even if you are on social media, it is just for business and not for gossips or chats or whatever. Like, you might not be paying attention is what I see. Either you have removed yourself, isolated yourself from social life, or even if you're on social life, you are not there for gossips, you are only there for business, you're only there for work. You do not indulge in small talks and all of that, and that is why you feel that if I am so isolated, who is taking note of me? But many people are taking a note of you, Gemini. So you might not realize, but many people are. I also see these days you are just trying to do a lot of contemplation. You're trying to see what has worked in your life, which areas need attention. Some of you might be educating yourself, you might be learning new skills. Your whole energy is basically directed to up level your life. Like, you have suddenly become very determined to become something in life. You're like, I want to achieve this goal, or I want to be doing this thing. So you're basically go getter energy these days. That's the energy that you're emitting, and you're just trying to elevate in your own life. Like, you are just not in any competition with anybody, you just want to become the best version of yourself, which is good. Okay, what is this person's energy towards my Gemini that Gemini was dealing with? Page of Pentacles. See, somebody is kind of contemplating as to how can they reach out to you. Somebody is writing and deleting messages. They want to approach you, but they also feel that the situation has ended and you have walked away. So somebody's kind of regretting. This person might have juggled you with a third party, and now they kind of regret the fact that they did so. Somebody was very inconsistent, very in and out, because Two of Pentacles with the Death card shows to me that this person was trying to juggle you, and then you just walked away and you became an empress. And now this person is might have regretting, and that's why they keep looking at your page. Some of you, this person tries to show that they are very happy, and they will not admit then that they are not happy. Some of you, this person might be dating somebody and they try to show that they are very, very happy, but that's not the case. Because if they were very happy, why are they looking at your pictures, or why are they wondering about you? So just to satisfy their ego, they are trying to show to you that they are very happy, but they are not. All right. And this person definitely juggled you with someone. Some of you, I see this person is a typical narcissist. So when they were dealing with you, they were dealing with other people, and you kind of got to know that this person was juggling you with someone else. And even when this person is with someone else, they are now looking back at you. So like, this person can just not get fixated on one person. Every time they are with somebody, they try to look at other people or other options, right? So they are always in this exploring mode. Like, what are they? Dora the Explorer? I don't know. So what is going to be this person's next action towards Gemini? Moon card. They are thinking, they're just overthinking about the situation, and they're trying to see how can they make things happen with you. Some of you, they kind of know that they've already messed the situation with you, and you might never accept them. This person is also aware that they were trying to manipulate you, and you got to know everything, so they're kind of ashamed as well. Right now, they are only in the contemplation energy. They might not send you the message yet, but they want to do it, and they're just thinking. Like, a lot of overthinking is going on, because this person knows that they have messed up the situation beyond repair. Like, how some people, when they mess up the whole situation, they're ashamed, right? How will they come to you? Because they know, they see their face in the mirror, so they know that if they come back, nobody's going to accept them. So that's what's happening here. Two of Cups. See, some of you, this person wants to this person has secret love for you still, and they're just trying to show you that they don't care, but this is what they feel for you. Some of you, this person is like remembering all the good times that they had with you, and they kind of miss you. All right, and they are feeling very miserable about the situation, that they did whatever they did in the heat of the moment. Anyway, what's going to be the Knight of Swords? Some of you, it was another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius that you were dealing with. Very in and out, very inconsistent, and they screwed the thing in their inconsistency. What's going to be the outcome between Gemini and this person? Two of Swords, of course. Some of you, even if this person comes back to you, you are not going to allow them in your life. You are going to take a lot of time to decide, because some of you feel there is no point. Some of you might actually ignore this person as well, because they created a lot of mess in your life, and now when they look back at you, you're like, what's the point? Why are you looking back at me? Like, just stay happy with whoever you are. So yeah, like if this person comes back to you, some of you will ignore them. So you have already made up your mind that you're going to ignore them, and you will ignore them. For most of you, I feel. Okay, what next is coming towards Gemini? But yeah, this person is contemplating to approach you. What next is coming towards Gemini in love? Ten of Swords. You might be actually putting an end to this situation because maybe you already made your mind that you're going to walk away from this, but it still bothers you somehow because you were involved, attached. But now finally you are going to put an end to it. And I see a new beginning. So who is this fire sign who's popping up in your readings? Like there might be a fire sign. Somehow this person has a very strong fire placement, and I see somebody just want to come into your life. I also see that a new beginning is going to happen, like a spark that is missing in your love life yet. Some of you feel that I have a lot of options, yes, and I'm doing so well in my life, but why is my love life not taking up? I see that's gonna happen, like an idea, or maybe you meeting a person out of nowhere, and then suddenly the spark get restored in your love life, or something like something very unexpected is going to happen, which is going to end this past chapter and take you towards a new journey. All right. I see some good times and fun times coming for you, Gemini, so just be aware. What else? Ooh, Queen of Pentacles, as I said. Some of you, there's like a very beautiful connection coming towards you, very stable. We have the Empress and the Queen of Pentacles both in the reading, which, like, nothing better than that. I see you are going to attract, or you have attracted somebody who's going to recognize you for what you are. And this person already, if they are in your life, this person thinks very highly of you. So someone is actually putting you on a pedestal, and this person thinks that you're very beautiful, very graceful, very nurturing, very caring, and very abundant. All right, so somebody sees you as very abundant. We have the Nine of Pentacles as well. So Queen of Pentacles, Empress, Nine of Pentacles. Gemini, basically your glow that you're having these days is visible to other people. And I see there is somebody around you who is very much interested in you. This person could be younger than you, or they just look very younger than their actual age. And this person, they think very highly of you, and you have actually saved them a couple of times in different situations. So they have high regards for you, like they have feelings for you, but they also put you on a pedestal. Basically somebody puts you on a pedestal, and they want to have marriage with you. Like when this person comes up, they will not tell you things like let's just fuck and then we'll see where it goes. No, when this person approaches, it's going to be for marriage, it's going to be for long-term commitment. Seven of Swords. But just make sure that you don't screw it with your anxiety because some of you might. Five of Pentacles. See, some of you really need to let go of your trauma that you're still experiencing because of the past situation. Somebody left you out on the cold. It was a past chapter. Let it go. Let it go, Gemini. Let it go. Some of you, I feel that there's a lot of, yeah, see, just when I said that, let it go. There was like a past situation which was very toxic. Somebody was deserting you, and they were just trying to keep you out as an option, and they were just playing mind games with you. It's time for you to finally get rid of it, detach, and walk away. Because when you walk away, you are going to land into this Empress, Queen of Pentacles energy. All right. What's the advice for Gemini? Wheel of Fortune. The advice is to go with the flow of life. And I see a commitment or a marriage coming in for you, Gemini. Some of you are about to get married. I don't know if you know this already or not, but yes. And your advice again, go with the flow of life. Sometimes things happen, and in the moment we can't really figure out why are they happening, but this thing actually happened in your life to make you aware of your own ability. Some of you become very abundant after this chapter. I don't know what happened after that. Maybe you started a business that really took off, or you just started paying more attention to your creativity, or you just started investing in yourself, and that is paying you good returns. I don't know what you're doing, but it is working. And I see that maybe this person was actually put in your life so that you can become aware of your own abilities, right? As I said, when we are in the process, we don't think that we are doing something extraordinary because we are able to do something very easily. We think it's very easy for other people as well, right? But that's not the case. You are doing it very beautifully because you were gifted. You worked really hard on your skills, and you are not recognizing your worth, but somebody else is, and somebody's putting you on pedestal, right? So yeah, just feel that. I see this person was actually put into your life so that you can actually focus on your own self and become more abundant by overcoming your own blocks. And you have done that. And now I see you will be attracting somebody who appreciates you for that. Like this person, your past person never appreciated you, and now they are regretting and want to come back. Like, hello. Hello. All right, children. I don't know, I was just sensing this energy of children. Some of you, this person was very childish, or maybe you have a child involved, and you also had the Empress card, so a child might be involved. Past life relationship and retreat. See, there is a past person who's still trying to come back to you, and this person is the same person who ghosted you. Like, they just retreated and now they want to come back. They might also tell you things like, oh, we have a child together, how can you leave me? And Gemini will be like, I'll show you, just wait here and I'll show you how will I leave you. So yeah, free yourself. Some of you, you really need to free yourself of the toxicity and tap into your playful side, and you did that actually. You've been enjoying time by yourself, you're doing good for yourself, and I see all of this is going to pay back. Now let's see your messages from the Divine Whispers cards, sorry. Give me message of Gemini. My ego is bigger than us. See, I told you. See, I told you. Like this past person, their ego was very big, and that was a problem between both of you. They just had a lot of ego, and it kind of ruined everything. Days just pass by without you, and now they are fucked up. Now they're fucked up because now they are realizing what they missed. Our connection is worth waiting for. They are waiting for you, and they think it's worth waiting for. I want to give you all the happiness in the world. Gemini be like, I already manifested it for myself, you motherfucker. I don't want you to give me anything. I have everything by myself. So yeah. Alright, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next video. You guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.